Welcome everyone to Mindray. From 1998, when Mindray produced China's first 3-part analyzer, Mindray's installation base of 3-part analyzers ranks #1 in the world in short period of time. At Mindray, we place a strong emphasis on ensuring the durability and reliability of our lower-end hematology analyzer. Let's walk into Mindray together and see how Mindray achieve high standard of quality and performance. For hematology analyzer, the reliable operation of both the hardware and fluid system is crucial in determining the overall reliability of the analyzer. The hardware system needs to be robust to minimize maintenance and service costs. Mindray's self-made syringe component, in addition to high precision, are also made of special materials that are corrosion resistant, wear resistant, and have excellent sealing properties. Those properties enable the analyzers can support up to 700,000 tests. Another key component in the hardware system is the valves. The 24-hour deformation monitoring and corrosion-resistant tests are performed to guarantee the valve's reliability. More than 3 million reagent-resistant tests under the pH value between 2 to 11 are equivalent to supporting 450,000 sample tests. Mindray has completed rigorous tests to ensure the reliable design of the fluid circuit workflow and components connections, such as temperature testing, vibration transportation testing, ensuring the normal operation of instrument in different environments. The instrument also has an intelligent fluid system maintenance mechanism. Its reliable fluid workflow design enables the system to maintain the same performance as a new analyzer after 300,000 blood sample tests. In addition to product design, Mindray also carries out strict controls in production process. Mindray has the largest instrument production center in Asia, and the entire quality system complies with international standards. Mindray brings reliable analyzers to customers through strict control in product design and production process.